Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I'm Soumya. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all a very interesting Mediterranean recipe, shakshuka. Shakshuka has been originated from North Africa but is loved overall Middle East. Also, typically this is made from eggs, but today I'm going to show you an absolutely eggless version of it. So let's get started. And yes, please, if you like the video, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and do not forget to press the bell icon because that's the thing which will give you the notification whenever I post a video. Let's start off.
We'll start off with making a batter. So take 1/3 cup of chickpea flour or besan in a bowl. To this, add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Take salt as per your taste. Now take 1/3 teaspoon of cumin powder. This is very important, guys. Then take 1/3 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Then take 1 big teaspoon of yogurt. You can also take mayonnaise here. If in case you're vegan, just add vegan yogurt or vegan mayo instead of the normal one and you'll be good to go. Now slowly start adding water and make a smooth batter out of it. So guys, if in case you don't have smoked paprika, you can also add cayenne pepper or any red chili powder, but the authentic recipe of shakshuka calls for smoked paprika. So try adding the same. So see, our batter is ready here. So keep it aside and let it rest for 10 minutes. Alright, so let's start with the cooking process now. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil, let it heat up, and then add chopped garlic. I've taken around 3 cloves of garlic. Then once it is done, add finely chopped medium-sized onion. Now saute the onion till it slightly changes the color. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of grated ginger here. So guys, this is absolutely optional. If you want, you can skip it. It's completely my choice. So our onions are almost done. We need not to change them to golden brown. So this looks perfect now. Now, I've chopped half red bell pepper and added into it, followed by yellow bell pepper as well as green bell pepper or capsicum, whatever you call it. Now finely chop 1 large size tomato and add into it. Now mix everything together and cook for around couple of minutes. Also, I've already made a fresh puree of 3 big tomatoes, so I'm gonna add my puree at this stage. There we go. Mix the puree and the veggies properly and cook for a minute. So guys, if you notice, I haven't added any spice or salt as of now. So we are going to add the seasoning later. Now once it reaches the boiling temperature, simmer the gas, cover it and cook for around 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been around 5 minutes. So let's have a look at the sauce. This looks perfect. Now let's add the seasoning. Add half a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Then add half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon smoked paprika. Then add 1/3 teaspoon chili flakes. Now add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning or mixed herbs. Now mix everything together and cook for around couple of minutes. Now again simmer the gas, place the lid and let it cook for around 3 minutes. After 3 minutes we'll see that our sauce is all ready. So now the roll of batter begins. Now see, the consistency of batter should be something like this. It should neither be too thick nor too watery. Okay guys, now the most fun part begins here. Make pockets in the sauce. I mean, you have to make wells or space like this. So I'm making 4 pockets. You can make even more depending on the size of your pan. Now fill in these wells with the batter. Pour a generous amount of batter in each well. So guys, this is an eggless version, alright? But if you are a non-vegetarian or if you do at least eggs, instead of any batter, you can break 1 egg in each well. Now see, we have filled all the wells here. So cover the pan for 5 minutes until the batter gets properly cooked. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and let's see how it looks. Wow, see how nicely the batter has been cooked. All 4 pockets are nicely set. So, in order to check, take a spoon and touch the batter from its back. As you can see, it's not sticking to the spoon, so this means it is done. Now comes the second fun part. We need to make borders of all these yellow circles with cheese. So let's do it. I'm using mozzarella cheese here. Alright guys, we have dropped in the cheese here. Now cover the pan and cook for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, see guys, this has already started looking oh so delicious. So let's give it a final touch. I'm gonna garnish it with some cilantro or coriander leaves, like so, followed by some grated Parmesan cheese. Adding Parmesan will give a nice little salty bite to the recipe. There we go. So friends, here comes our utterly gorgeous, tempting and delicious Eggless Shakshuka. This is a one-skillet meal which can be enjoyed at breakfast, lunch or dinner. Just add some bread on the side and maybe a green salad and you'll get a quick, easy and healthy meal. Well, I'm hungry and can't wait to dig in this beauty, so I'm gonna quickly plate it. So cut it from the sides. Be careful guys. There we go. You simply have to try this recipe guys. It's absolutely fulfilling and so satisfying. So guys, if you like the recipe, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and do not forget to press the bell icon because that's how you'll get the notification whenever I post the video. Take care. Bye bye.